Today I'd like to show you a tool called ChatPDF. This is an artificial intelligence tool that can help you with some of your studies. As you can see, it's as easy as dropping a PDF onto this page. Right over here, I have already loaded up a study that I had a hard time understanding. But it's about distraction techniques used with children as they're getting venipuncture. When I first loaded up the article, it showed me a variety of questions, and I read through those and I thought, okay, well, I do really want to know what the results of the study were, and hopefully it can help me summarize that. So I chose that first question there, and it provided some basic information that sort of summarized what happened in this study, as well as the effects. And I wanted to know which distraction method was the most effective. So I typed in my own question and got an answer here. I wanted an explanation of the study flow diagram, which is down here. One, it was hard to see, and two, I just wanted to make sure I understood it. So I asked ChatPDF to explain it. But this is an article that I've already loaded in, and I would like to show you this in action. So I'm going to click on New Chat, and I'm going to upload a different article about pet therapy in the hospital setting. So again, it welcomes me. If I want to see a larger size here, I can bump that up on the resolution. And again, it's provided me with some questions that I might have. How was the study designed to evaluate the effects of pet therapy? What were the key findings? That's the one that I'm interested in. I've already read this article, and I know that one of the key findings was that they found, they compared the effect of two interventions on kids' anxiety. One of them had to do with pet therapy, and one of them had to do with the research assistant just coming in and doing a puzzle with the children to see how that impacted their anxiety. And my understanding of the study is that the pet therapy was more effective than the study or the other intervention of the research assistant doing the puzzle with the child. But I want to check my understanding, so I'm going to ask that question. And of course, it gives me an answer here, and it tells me 4 pieces of information about the study. I'm not going to go ahead and read those to you, but each one of these little bubbles then points back to a section of the study if I want to read more and understand about it. I've noted that sometimes these little markers have to do with the page of the study, and sometimes they just have to do with the section. So when you click on them, it will take you to the portion it's talking about so that you can reread something and then look at what PDF has to say about it and really start to comprehend what you're learning about. One of the things that I saw in this study was information on bivariate relationships, and I didn't understand that. So if I come in here and highlight that section, I can ask ChatPDF to explain that section. So it puts that in there, and then it starts to give me an explanation of what the bivariates are and what that means. Anyway, this seems to be a really helpful tool in reading and understanding any PDF more quickly. And in particular, I have found it helpful on hard to understand studies.